You tell me when to start.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Okay, so first chord we do is a B minor. Then we move everything up towards the ceiling one string to an F sharp major.
No, you gotta say the first finger goes the
And
same.
the first finger, just you move everything from the very first chord. You move the first finger over. You move your third and fourth finger over one string, and you move your second finger.
Gotcha.
Then we use our second finger as a guide finger. We move back to the second fret, and we put our first and third finger on the left and right side of it. We play an A chord. Now we're going to play an E chord. So we're going to use our middle finger as a guide finger again, but we're going to keep it there, plant it, and move our first finger to the first fret right behind it on that third string. Take our second and third fingers, swing them over onto the fifth and fourth string, and now we have an E chord.
On the second fret. Okay.
Now we're going to go to a G chord. We're going to keep this second finger in place. Well, we could. Yeah, we will. It's kind of a cheat way to play a G chord, but it's going to work for this song. You keep the second finger in place, and you just roll your third finger around it to the third fret on the sixth string. Now we play a D chord. You're going to have to move everything over to this upside down triangle. Then we come back to our E chord, so we use our first finger as a guide, move it back to the first fret of the third string, swing our second and third fingers down, we play the E chord, and then we play our F sharp major chord, so we can essentially move this up, but we have to refinger all those notes right there because we have to play a bar. We have to get our first finger there. So the only way we can free up the first finger is by taking that finger off and putting that finger there, moving those fingers over, and now we can go back, which is our second chord of the whole procession that we started. And then we have the chords.